Hi there, it's Kirsten. Welcome back to my channel, and today it's time for my September favorites. I don't know if some of you remember, in one of my previous favorites videos I said that I was going to look a lot more into natural chemical-free makeup and skincare, and I did just that. I've been using a lot of natural skincare recently, but wanted to try natural lipsticks. I mean, it's pretty obvious that I love lipsticks, and I have to admit, I've been a fan of Chanel lipsticks for many years because the pigmentation is fabulous, the color range, they are just long lasting, they are fabulous. But let's face it, they are not free from chemicals. They do animal testing, and I just wanted to try something else. So I went into Holland & Barrett. For those of you who don't know the shop, they've got a lot of natural stuff, gluten-free food and natural makeup, everything like for vegetarians, vegans. It's fabulous. And I got these two BURT'S lipsticks in the colors Fuchsia and Wine. I'm currently wearing Wine because the color goes so nicely with my choker and the nails, and they contain 100% natural ingredients. They are free from parabens, no phthalates, and let me see, no animal testing. They are very creamy and lightweight. I can feel that they are very moisturizing. I like them so far, and might buy more colors. I think this one is very nice for autumn winter. The other one might be a bit nicer for the warmer periods. But I really like them. I'm glad I bought them. And if you know some other brands with great lipsticks, let me know. I'm dying to know, honestly. I also got it says up to 90% natural ingredients and nail polish from the brand BENECOS. Never sure about the pronunciation, so please forgive me. This is the color Wild Orchid. Wearing it now. I like it a lot. The thing is, this is the first product from the brand I bought, and I saw that they've got a whole range of natural makeup, which I think is great. So I have to test more products, not just the nail polish, but this one is really good, and I have to try more colors. I really like it. And the thing is, natural chemical-free makeup doesn't necessarily mean that the products are more expensive. On the contrary, these were, what was it, like $6.95, something like that, and I think that's a great price point. So I will link the products if you want to know more about them. Next up is a cookbook from Camilla Fade, who's the founder of FARMACY. So it's called FARMACY Kitchen, a cookbook with plant-based recipes. And I've been to, there's a restaurant called FARMACY in Notting Hill, and I went there last year, which was amazing. The food was great. I mean, it's healthy food. You can see that, you can taste it, and not only, I mean, Notting Hill is a wonderful location, so that's just perfect. If you're ever in the area in London, go check it out. And I have to say, I've never said it on here, but I thought it's about time I did. I've been suffering from a very severe thyroid disease for many years, which led to the fact that I have to avoid, for one, gluten, but also, I mean, I always see a specialist in Germany. She's amazing, so I'd rather pay pay the invoice and go see her because she knows me and she's a specialist. Yeah. So the thing is, when I was diagnosed with the disease, I was still okay except for the gluten, but slowly gained weight, which was for me, which was terrible. I've always been a slim person, and then I worked out every single day. I did a lot of cardio and just gained weight. Then she changed the medication and it was amazing. I just lost the weight just like that and nearly was the person I've always been. Not exactly, but nearly. But then slowly gained the weight back, which was very frustrating. So I went to see her in May and she said I should try and change my diet. Basically meaning I should avoid carbs. I know it sounds terrible, but you can get used to it. What I do now is I try to avoid carbs during the week and have some on the weekends because I still want to enjoy life, but just as a tip if you have the same problem. So Jörg and I have been buying many cookbooks recently to get inspiration for recipes, and this one is great. It has, so it's plant-based, it's vegan, gluten-free, and has got some really nice recipes with fresh food, and I love the pictures, so I can highly recommend this one. And go to FARMACY if you're ever in Notting Hill. You will love it, I promise. You might have noticed my choker. This is the so-called Lily choker. In my last favorites video, I was wearing a hat, a very lovely vintage inspired hat from Regina in Spain. She's got the Etsy company called BURT'S and FRESIA, which she makes amazing hats, very unique. And I got the choker from her as well, which is a silk flower and a velvet ribbon, which goes very nicely with my nails and lipstick. And I love it. I love Regina. She makes the best stuff. This is very special. You can wear it like with a blouse or just with a nice, for example, a dress that has got a nice neckline. This makes a very nice accessory, I think. Sometimes I get questions about this. It's very big, so about this suitcase, which is from STEAMLINE luggage. It's like a carry-on, and I take it with me on all the travels and always get messages about it, and I love it so much that I bought a tiny vanity case. This one. This is from the, sorry, that I just have to check my notes. This is from the Jet Setter collection, the vanity case, and I got it in the sale. I waited for a sale and just had to have it in the red because I love red so much, and it's beautiful. And as you can see, it has straps, so you can wear it either holding in your hands or wear it crossbody. It's beautiful. I love it so much. It's very special, very like retro, vintage inspired. STEAMLINE luggage makes the most beautiful suitcases. I love them so much. I love the colors. I wish I could have all of them, but they are a bit pricey, but beautiful, absolutely nice. And that's it for today. The September favorites that I love so much. Please let me know what you think, and if you came across a nice shop or a beautiful website, let me know in the comments below. I really appreciate your comments and appreciate your support, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.